Hi everyone, I'm Caleb and welcome to Gold Rush Cooking here at Columbia State Historic Park. Today we are making pancakes. They had pancakes during the Gold Rush and they came in many different varieties. I am making buttermilk pancakes and this recipe comes from the American Heritage Cookbook. You will need 1.5 cups of flour, a half a tablespoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a half a tablespoon of sugar, 1 egg, 1 1/4 cups of buttermilk, and 2 tablespoons of butter. You will want to sift your flour first. Best way to do that is to put it in a bowl and use a whisk. Combine all dry ingredients, then the wet ingredients, and mix lightly. The dough will turn out like this, kind of thick and lumpy. After your dough is mixed, you'll want to drop spoonfuls into a well-greased hot pan and cook until both sides are golden brown. This would have been a very expensive dish during the Gold Rush, especially if maple syrup was used. One of the first references to putting maple syrup on pancakes or flapjacks was from the 1803 cookbook, The Virginia Housewife. Whether the miners had this expensive luxury to put on their pancakes or not, I'm sure they still enjoyed warm pancakes when they could, as always. I hope you enjoyed today's video. For more content like this, please hit the like button and subscribe, and check out our social media links below.